This video demonstrates how to change display settings in Windows 7. Specifically, changing the size of all items displayed in Windows, changing the resolution and orientation on your monitor or monitors. Windows 7 allows you to display objects in Windows such as fonts, menus, and icons in various sizes. To change the size of objects in Windows, follow these steps. Right-click on an empty area of the desktop and click Personalize. Click Display to open the display window. Select Medium or Larger and then click Apply. Your changes will be applied the next time you log on. Changing the display resolution for your monitor or monitors. One way to think of display resolution is how much detail is sent to be displayed on the screen. There are two numbers that represent display resolution. The first number represents how many tiny dots of color can be displayed across the screen horizontally. The second number represents how many dots to display vertically. Higher display resolution numbers represent higher quality picture, but only up to the native display resolution of LCD and LED monitors and TVs. If you select a display resolution that is greater than the native display resolution of your LCD or LED monitor, then the picture will be scaled down to fit the screen and the image will have less detail. For best picture quality, select a display resolution that matches the native resolution. You can find the native display resolution for your LCD or LED monitor in the Information section of the Monitor menu, on the Monitor's box, in the User Guide, or in Product Specifications on the web. To change the display settings, perform the following steps. Right-click on an empty area of the desktop and click Personalize. Click Display to open the display window. Click Display Settings to open the Display Settings window. Click the number of the monitor you want to adjust. If you only have one monitor, click 1. If you want to adjust a second display device connected to the computer, click 2 to adjust the resolution on that monitor. You can change the resolution or the screen size for your monitor. The setting for the screen resolution determines how much information will display on the display screen. With lower resolution, fewer items fit on the screen, but those items will be larger. At higher resolution, more items fit on the screen, but they will be smaller. In the Resolution drop-down box, do the following. Drag the slider downward to decrease the screen area, making icons and text appear larger. Drag the slider upward to increase the screen area, making icons and text appear smaller. To change the orientation to portrait or landscape, select the option from the Orientation drop-down list. Click OK. A confirmation window opens. Click Keep Changes to save the settings or Revert to cancel. If you are using multiple monitors, repeat these steps for each display type that is connected, first selecting which monitor you want to adjust. If you are extending your Windows desktop to additional displays, then you can click and drag each monitor shown in the settings window to represent how the monitors are placed in your work environment. By doing this, you will be able to move objects in Windows from one screen to another in a way that makes sense. If you have further questions on changing display settings, go to www.hp.com/support. Click on your country or region and enter your model number.